Breathing, an essential function of life, often happens without us even thinking about it. It's an automatic process, a rhythm that sustains us from moment to moment. But for people living with asthma, the simple act of breathing can become a challenge, a daily struggle. How you breathe matters significantly, impacting your overall well-being and quality of life. Fortunately, there are special breathing exercises that can make a real difference. These techniques can help you feel calmer, more centered, and most importantly, more in control of your breathing. It's important to remember that these techniques are designed to work alongside the medical advice and treatment plan provided by your doctor. They are a complementary approach to managing your asthma symptoms effectively. Today we'll delve into two powerful breathing methods: the Buteyko method, a technique focused on retraining your breathing patterns, and diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing, a technique that emphasizes using your diaphragm for fuller, more efficient breaths. The Buteyko method places a strong emphasis on gentle nasal breathing and incorporating short, controlled breath holds into your routine. Diaphragmatic breathing teaches you to engage your diaphragm, the primary muscle for breathing, allowing you to use your belly rather than your chest, resulting in deeper, easier, and more relaxed breaths. To begin, find a comfortable seat, allowing your body to relax. Close your eyes if you wish, and simply turn your attention inward to notice your breath. Cultivating this awareness of your breath, observing its natural rhythm and flow, is your crucial first step towards achieving better breathing and improved asthma control. So, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin this transformative journey together, step by step, towards a healthier and more comfortable you. Now let's gently explore the Buteyko method, a technique known for its potential to improve breathing patterns and overall well-being. It's a simple yet effective approach that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. To begin, find a comfortable position, either sitting upright in a chair or on the floor. Ensure your posture is relaxed, yet supportive. Now gently close your mouth and focus on breathing softly and quietly through your nose. This nasal breathing is key to the Buteyko method, helping to filter and humidify the air you inhale. Now comes the controlled pause. Gently pinch your nose with your fingers to close off your nostrils and hold your breath for a count of 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds, release your nose and breathe normally through your nose. Observe the sensation. Now, let's add a gentle head tilt. Tilt your head slowly and gently to the left side. While your head is tilted to the left, pinch your nose again, holding your breath for another 5 seconds. Then, release your nose, return your head to the center, and breathe normally. Now, repeat the same process on the right side. Tilt your head gently to the right, pinch your nose, hold for 5 seconds, and release. As you perform these exercises, it's crucial to maintain a relaxed posture. Each time, keep your shoulders relaxed, avoiding any tension in your neck or upper body. Remember to breathe gently and quietly through your nose after each breath hold. This allows your body to gradually adjust to the changes in your breathing pattern. Take a moment to notice how your breathing feels. With each repetition, you might find that your breathing feels lighter, calmer, and more controlled. This simple exercise can be a valuable tool, especially when your breathing feels tight, restricted, or labored. Practice it whenever you feel the need to regain control over your breath, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. By consistently practicing this technique, you're actively building a powerful tool for your asthma management and overall respiratory health. Take a short rest, allowing your body to fully absorb the benefits of the exercise, and simply notice your breath. You're ready for the next technique. Let's move on and continue exploring ways to improve your breathing. Now let's learn diaphragmatic breathing, a technique that can significantly improve your breathing control and overall well-being. This method focuses on using your diaphragm, the primary muscle for breathing, to its full potential. To begin, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Place one hand gently on your chest and place the other on your belly, just below your rib cage. This will help you monitor your breathing and ensure you're using your diaphragm correctly. Breathe in slowly and deeply through your nose, aiming to fill your lungs completely. As you inhale, focus on feeling your belly rise while your chest stays relatively still. The hand on your chest should move very little. Hold the breath for a brief moment, allowing the air to fully saturate your lungs. Then breathe out slowly and completely through your mouth, feeling your belly fall as the air is expelled. Now let's add a gentle twist to enhance the exercise. As you inhale deeply, gently twist your upper body to the left, keeping your lower body stable. Hold the twist and the breath for a moment, feeling the stretch in your torso. Then exhale slowly and deliberately as you return to the center position. Now repeat the same process on the right side, inhaling as you twist and exhaling as you return to center. Remember to keep your movements gentle and controlled, and your breath slow, deep, and even. Avoid any jerky or sudden motions. This exercise not only helps you use your diaphragm more effectively, but also promotes relaxation throughout your body, reducing stress and improving overall well-being. Regular practice of belly breathing can significantly reduce tension, improve your breathing control, and help manage symptoms associated with asthma. Take a moment to notice how much calmer, deeper, and more satisfying your breath feels after this exercise. You've now learned a valuable skill that you can use anytime, anywhere to manage your asthma and promote a sense of calm. Take a moment to appreciate the progress you've made. Let's finish strong, carrying this sense of calm and control with us throughout the day. You've learned 2 powerful breathing techniques today. Use Buteyko and belly breathing whenever you need to calm your breath. With practice, these skills will become second nature. Remember, managing asthma is a journey. Be patient and kind to yourself. Even a few minutes of focused breathing can make a difference. Keep working with your doctor and use these exercises as extra support. You're taking control of your health, one breath at a time. Be proud, you're on the path to easier breathing.